Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best door hinges. Rounded 3.5-inch by 3.5-inch door hinges. Amazon Basics rounded 3.5-inch by 3.5-inch door hinges, 18-pack, oil-rubbed bronze. Oil-rubbed bronze finish, durable steel construction, pack includes 18 total hinges. Mounting hardware included, detailed installation instructions included. Design House 181,420 10-pack hinge 3.5, satin nickel, 103. 5-inch door hinges with 6 holes, steel construction for use on residential doors. These door hinges are made of steel with a staggered hole pattern. Each hinge has 6 holes and measures 3-1/2 x 3-1/2 by 7/16. These hinges do not have a removable pin, and screws are included. Comes with a 1-year limited that protects against defects in materials and workmanship. Amazon Basics self-closing door hinge. Detailed installation instructions included. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Satin nickel finish, durable steel construction, pack includes 1 self-closing door hinge. Mounting hardware included, hinges feature self-closing mechanism. $18-pack of door hinges satin nickel 3.5 by 3.5 inch interior hinges. Includes 108 free satin nickel 3/4 inch and 18 1.5 inch flathead screws for quick and easy installation. Each door hinge is beautifully crafted and designed. Enhance your home with simple elegance. Hinges include 3/4 inch and 1.5 inch flathead screws and are ready to install right out of the box. Design House 181,362 10-pack hinge 3.5. 103. 5-inch door hinges with 6 holes, steel construction for use on residential doors. 1/4 inch radius corners, mounting screws included, 1-year limited warranty. The Design House 181,362 10-pack hinge 3.5 in satin nickel has a 1/4 radius corner, for use on residential duty wooden doors. These door hinges are made of steel with a staggered hole pattern. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.